Wanted to jump on here and show you guys my new way, my new method of launching websites for businesses that I run or any of our clients. I've been all about AI and how it has completely transformed the way that our marketing agency works, our real estate investing company works, and the podcast, like how we engage with our customers, our clients, and how quickly we can get to market with our different products. And so I just wanted to show you my new process for updating websites. So I used to be building websites on website builders like Kartra. Kartra is what I have up right here. Let me make it bigger. And this is one of our RV park websites that I built. The Real Estate Investing Club, obviously the podcast website, our investing company website right here. All of these are built on Kartra. And when I built these websites, you have to go in each individual page. You have to edit them. You have to place each individual element. You have to type in all the text, all that stuff. So it takes a lot of time and it's very cumbersome. But with so this is Kartra. Now I'm using AI to do all my websites. For instance, we're launching. We're specializing into a niche within the real estate sphere for our marketing company. We're trying to specialize down just for private lenders or hard money lenders. We take everybody in real estate, flippers, wholesalers, commercial investors, anybody who works in real estate. We can help them with ads, but we're trying to niche down individually, so we have specific products for each type. And we just did private lenders, so hard money lenders, that kind of thing. So I built this website specifically for our hard money lender clients or our private lender clients, and I've been doing updates to it. So I added just recently. We got an actual email for the marketing agency for the new brand for the marketing agency. It used to be Penguin. Now we're at Kaizen Marketing. I updated the phone. I created the phone number with CallRail, and then I updated it here. And literally all I did is I went in here and I prompted Bolt. I said, update the support email on all pages that it's located, update the phone number on all pages that it's located. And it found them, it updated them. So now I'm going to add in, right now what I'm doing is I'm adding in the results. For some of our clients, I want to add in the results we're getting them right now. Specifically, I want to add in the results for Little Guy Loans. This is one of our clients. Let's see here if we can pull it up. We're running ads for, he's a hard money lender out in Iowa, and we're running ads for him. And we just got in the results for the first month that we ran ads for his business. And I want to make sure and include that. Here's the results in our website. And so we got them, 19 conversions this is actually 3 weeks. So this campaign just launched. It's not even optimized. We haven't made it perfect yet. We just got the basic shell up and we're starting to generate leads for him. And we were able to get him 19 conversions in that time frame. And so I'm going to try to add this to the website, and I'll take you guys along for the process while I do this. So first, I'm going to figure out a way. I want to figure out a good way to prompt Bolt to add our testimonial, or not a testimonial, our results to this website. And so I'm going to actually go over to ChatGPT first, because it can take what I want and it can put it into a format that Bolt can better digest. So that's kind of how I use these two products in combination with each other, ChatGPT and then Bolt. Chat, I'll use it to refine what I want Bolt to do, and then I'll feed that into Bolt. So I'll start over here in Chat. All right, so I just prompted ChatGPT to create this for me. The prompt that I used, I just wrote it here. I said, please create a prompt that I can feed into Bolt.new to update my website at website URL, privatelendermarketingagency.com. What I want Bolt to do is add a client result to the results page. I want Bolt to include the attached image that shows the results from the first month of our client working with us. Please also include copy that Bolt can use. The copy should focus on how we got 19 conversions for our client within the first month of running ads for him. A conversion is either someone calling his business or someone submitting a lead form. All right, so that's what I sent it. And then here is what it created. We'll see. Here's the exact prompt, yada yada. So prompt, task, update the results page. Add a new client case study section for little guy loans, showcasing the result from their first month. That's good. Add the following content. Section title, client spotlight, little guy loans. Subheading, 19 new leads in the first 30 days. Awesome. Body copy in just the first month. Kaizen marketing agency. Little guy loans. Directive calls. Okay, awesome. Our crime. This is great. Image, upload the attached image. Okay, design instructions. See, this is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to feed this directly into Bolt. Just take it just like that. Copy it. Go over to Bolt. Put it here. And then except for right here, I'm going to go AKA, right, oops. And then I'm going to go, so Kaizen Marketing Agency is our main agency brand. And so Private Lender Marketing Agency is a sub brand of Kaizen Marketing Agency. And so I'm just going to make sure and make that stipulation because I forgot to tell chat about that. So I'm going to say Private Lender Marketing Agency, aka Kaizen Marketing Agency. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this. Oops. I grab the image. I'm going to paste it in here. Here we go. And now we're going to go ahead and click that and see what happens. We're going to let Bolt think for a little bit. So it's the workflow there is pretty important. I always like to use ChatGPT first, and then I add it to Bolt or Lovable or Replit, whatever tool you're using. I like Bolt. It so far, I feel like it creates the best results. But I definitely use ChatGPT or Claude to first create that the input that I'm going to be giving Bolt, because that it gets better results. Sometimes I'll just, if I do it just with my own words, it's kind of not as refined, and Bolt can do things that I don't necessarily want it to do. But if you put it in chat first, it'll get better results. So I'm going to let that update, and then I'll show you guys the end result. All right, so here is the result. You can see it added the client spotlight section. So if we go to what is currently active, we can go to contact. Oops, no, results. And you can see currently on the results page, it just says marketing solutions for private lenders. And then it goes right to our approach and our process timeline. You can see the update that Bolt did here that I haven't made it go live yet, but it added that client spotlight. Perfectly, exactly what we wanted. Little guy loans, 19 new leads in the first 30 days, a description of what happened, the type of results we got them, exactly what we wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish, update, and that is all we have to do. If I wasn't making this video for you guys, I could have done this in like not seconds, in probably 5 minutes, without having to look over here and work with the video. So originally when I did this on Kartra or one of those other word website I cannot talk this morning. One of those website platforms, it would take a long time to make any edits because you have to drag in the different sections and all that stuff. But now you literally just prompt it, and I love it. So yeah, just wanted to show that to you guys. If you have any questions about using AI to create websites or anything else, let me know.